All right, welcome to Sawfish Bay Park. My name is Gretchen Carr. I'm the Natural Resources Coordinator for the town of Jupiter. And we are here today with students from the Jupiter Environmental Research Field Studies Academy. They are in the water cleaning out garbage and also gathering leaf litter. We're going to plant some mangroves. We're going to install reef balls. And then later on, we're also going to add riprap. This is our pilot project. It's 100 linear feet in this corner of the basin. Reef balls are going to go along that wall. We're going to have riprap down here. And the idea is the reef balls provide attachment points for oysters and clams, corals, sponges, little homes and habitat for other types of marine life to go into and out of the reef balls. And then the riprap, same thing. It's just a different type of substrate, providing marine habitat restoration in an otherwise hardened, cold vinyl seawall marina basin.